Hi, it's Danny back with another video on your ball and socket, your humerus bones up here. We've covered cross, we've covered up and down, we've covered some rotation. Let's add a bit of resistance. Now, of course, for flexion and extension, there's gym training, there's press-ups, there's work with heavy bands, there's pull-downs. However, this is just a light tone, often used in rehab and shoulder stability for rotator cuff. If you have a band set up here, feel free to join in with this or just register this for a future time. So we've got this internal rotation. Pec major's helping, lats helping, but subscapularis, under the shoulder blade, one of the rotator cuff stabilizers, is also involved here. It's not an isolation, it's a whole body motion. Feel free to you can vary these handles twist, you can vary the palm position. I like the neutral grip here. It works without the handle as well. And a thicker band would make this stronger. Let's keep with this arm but externally rotate. Generally the smaller muscles from the back here, not as strong, so you may use a lighter band or move further into the source. But here's this nice opening out motion. Allow your torso, your pelvis, your head to follow. Everything's cooperative here. However, careful to just move the torso and not actually move the ball in the socket. So do check that there is movement there, not just from the body. Now this, of course, both of these could be, of course, from different angles to relate to different sports. You could lie down on the floor. This grass is a bit dewy this morning. You could lie down and do these movements. So we internally rotate left side. Easy breathing, nice weight shift. You might bring in some balance occasionally to work the torso muscles more and ankles more. Again, it could be here. May need to be slower. And then there's the external rotation. Opening out, maybe drop your center of gravity slightly. Feel that from higher up. Could be doing both together. Most things in life, most sports are asymmetrical, and we need strength on single sides. Okay, thanks for watching this short video about some rehab, some tone, some support and strength and stability for the shoulder sockets there.